Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the split text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to be choosing two colors here. I'm just going to choose this green and this purple. And then I'm just going to select the 16:9 ratio, and I'm just going to adjust that like so. Select whichever, go to mask and select horizontal and split it. You can either split it this way, diagonally, or whatever. I'm just going to split it this way. Go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word monster because why not? I am also going to find like a bolder font, maybe like this one. And then I am just going to basically, actually let me just do it diagonally so you guys can see it a bit better. I will then select the color of the light background, but I'm going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to select the other color as well. Right click, create compound clip on both of them. And then just go to mask and select horizontal and split it like that. And that's it. Super easy. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!